Welcome to day 30, the last day of my 0 to 10K challenge with Amazon ads for Amazon KDP. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach, and let's begin. So yesterday I said that I want to share my experience with being on this journey of the 30 days, and there's just a few things that I want to go over before getting into the last part of the video. Let's see. Well, yeah, the last part of the video. The first thing I want to say is this was an experience for me and a learning lesson because there's a few things that I want to do. Like um, what's the word I'm looking for? I had other intentions as well for this challenge, which was to challenge myself to start and be consistent at making videos on YouTube, as I lacked the confidence in doing so. So I said, you know what, let me challenge myself. Let me create a challenge for myself to challenge myself to post for 30 days consistently. And I just wanted to do that to find my rhythm in making posts. So I said, okay, you know what, maybe doing challenges is what I like to do to give my it allows me to learn something new and to push, and there's also an urgency to try to get to that goal within 30 days. So even though that the 30 days is up, I'm not going to stop writing or advertising my books on Amazon KDP. I'm going to keep going. What I found is a lot of people that do have books published on Amazon KDP, whether it's low content or high content or even medium, is they stuck with it. They were consistent with it. Some people didn't start seeing sales maybe till like 6 months, up to a year before they started seeing sales. And it wasn't a lot of sales, but they just consistently kept at it. The only way to win at anything, or the cheat code to life, is consistency. The more consistent you are at something, the more likely, or yeah, the more likely you are to be successful. Or there's another thing that they say, um, I don't remember what it is, but it's something to do with lucky. Like, people are not just lucky. Lucky comes with a lot of consistency behind it, right? You only think people are lucky because you're only seeing the latter part of their journey. It takes a lot. Like the books that I created, some took a week, um, some took a couple of days, but it was fun for me. Like, I didn't see it as it being a job. It's like I got to create something once and now it lives forever. So I'm proud of myself for doing that. Another thing is it helped with my confidence, and my confidence in being in front of a camera and speaking, just speaking from the heart, just showing you guys everything that I'm going through, not being afraid to show my numbers. A lot of people, they hide behind their numbers, right? Like a lot of these people, they put 10,000, 100,000, and honestly, I don't really think a lot of these guys are making it. Like, it seems like a cap to me, but that's just my opinion. Another thing is I'm here to motivate people that want to either start a YouTube, write books, start whatever side hustle it is, whatever it is that you want to do, and you're just need that extra push. That's the whole purpose of these videos. Like, just get up and just start. Just whatever it is that you said, hey, I want to try this, because it's better to live with knowing that you did something instead of living with regret. Oh, I wish I tried this, or I could have did that. It's like, no, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Just start. Who cares how it looks, if it's not polished or whatever? Because if you start today and you keep going and you just become 1% better than it was, or better than you were yesterday, over time you will see growth. You'll see a difference in whatever it is that you're doing. So that's the whole purpose of me making these videos, to motivate you to get started. The hardest part of doing anything is just starting. So I encourage you, whatever it is that you want to do, just start today. Who cares how it looks? Who cares what the end result is? Just start. Another thing is, do what you love. if it's not something that you're passionate about or even obsessed about, or I would say obsessed about or even passionate about, start. Just do what you love. When you do something that you love, it doesn't feel like work. Me making these videos, me making the books, it didn't feel like work to me. I can never make $1 again, and I'm okay with that. It's the fact that what I felt needed to be out there is out there now, right? I like to create books. I like to make reading material for people like me that like to read, um, and just give my insight on how I view things. Play the long game. If you're looking for just a quick, short-term bag, it may not come. You may be searching and searching. I don't know if you've ever seen that meme where it's like there's two guys digging for diamonds. One guy is like literally coming very close and then gives up, and then the other guy keeps going and hit and strikes the diamond. The same thing applies here. If you stick with something long term, you will see the long term gains. But if you're looking for long term gains in the short term, in the short game, it's not gonna happen. If it does happen, it's like winning the lottery. And if it is like winning, and if that's what you're chasing for, then you might as well just play the lottery, right? Pay $2, do a quick pick, or pick 7, whatever the lotto games are. I don't play the lottery, so I don't know how the lottery works. But you get my drift, right? So play the long game in anything that you're doing. So I just wanted to leave that with you guys because I was intentional with these videos and pretty much everything that I went over. So make sure you have the confidence, consistency, keep trying, start, do what you love, and play the long game. So let's see what we have done in 30 days. And we did nothing. So we flatlined after the third. Alright, so as you can see, so let's see what we did in so January 12th. So I started this on my birthday. It was something different for me to do. We made $58. So $58 in 30 days. So I will continue to make books, high, medium, and low, and continue to post them. The marketing, I will, for a few of them, I'm gonna keep them up and going. I wish I could remove them, but they don't. Yeah, so clicks are not really coming in. I'm spending about $1 a day, which is fine. So I'm gonna continue to look at these, figure out what's going on, and yeah, Canada, we know how that one goes. Nothing popping over there. Yeah, 38 cents though, which is fine. So that concludes the 30 days. I hope you found some inspiration, motivation from these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if there's another challenge that you would like me to do, please leave it in the comments and I will get working on those videos. So every now and then and again, I'll update you guys on how my KDP journey is going and let you know anything that I find. I will post videos in terms of like how to create a book. I'm thinking of running a workshop on how to create your first book. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So it was a fun journey. Look out for my next YouTube video. What it will be is a mystery, but it will be something that will enhance your experience or your knowledge. And I'll see you next time.